Eugene Thalmann, co-owner and operator of Sprouting Dreams Farm and the Agricultural Program Coordinator for Catskill Mountainkeeper, and welcome to our farm. A farmer's footsteps is the best fertilizer. We live in an amazing time where we are able to use the new technologies to nurture the plants in a way that mimics nature and allows for a more efficient harvest. We get to observe plants and know what they need to allow us to get what we need. And it's a relationship. It's amazing to watch the plants grow. When you see what they do and what a plant needs, you're able to then give that. And the plants will give you what you want, which may be food, a pretty flower, a great scent, or just the feeling of being one with nature. Today we're reading A Seed is Sleepy by Diana Hutz, Aston, and Sylvia Long. What a beautiful cover. And look at this sunflower. A seed is sleepy. It lies there tucked inside its flower, on its cone, or beneath the soil, snug, still. A seed is secretive. It does not reveal itself too quickly. Most seeds sleep through a season or two, waiting for the warmer temperatures of spring. But some take their time. 10 years might pass before the bright red-orange seed of the Texas mountain laurel shows its purple blooms. A seed is fruitful. 90% of plants on Earth are flowering plants. Flowering plants produce fruits of all shapes and textures that keep the seeds cozy until they have found the right place to grow. A seed is naked. Yes, naked. Scientists call gymnosperm seeds that aren't clothed in fruits, aka naked seeds. Most naked seeds hide themselves on the scales of cones until they're ready to make a dash for the ground. Look at this little person here in this large redwood tree. Could you imagine a tree being the size of a multi-story building? Seeds come in many sizes. The orchid seed is the smallest of all. There might be 1 million seeds in one pod. The seed of the Coco de Mer palm is one of the largest. It can weigh up to 60 pounds or 25 kilograms. Seed is adventurous. A parachute of fine, silky hairs can take a dandelion seed 100 miles from its parent plant. It must stake out on its own in search of a less crowded place to put down roots. And remember, the seed is also adventurous not only by air, but by water as well. Drift seeds float on ocean currents from one shore to another. They have enough air inside to help them float, and their thick protective shells keep out seawater. And look at how amazing some of these seeds are. Quite amazing. A seed is inventive. To find a spot to grow, a seed might leap from its pod, or cling to a child's shoestring, or tumble through a bear's belly. A seed hopes to land where there is plenty of sunlight, soil, and water. A seed is generous. It gives the baby plant or embryo a seed that coat to keep it warm. Look at how different plants mature at different rates on their own. For instance, The pumpkin and the rice take 4 months to mature, where they produce food for us. And the bean is very quick, in 5 weeks, where some trees take many years, or even 100 to come to maturity. The embryo's first meal comes from its seed leaves, or cotyledons. Seeds with one leaf, like corn, are called monocots. Seeds with two seed leaves, like beans, are called dicots. Some seeds are ancient. Not all seeds are eager to germinate. Some have lain dormant or slept undisturbed for more than 1,000 years. The oldest known seed to sprout came from an extinct date palm tree. After it was unearthed from a long ago king's mountaintop palace in Israel, scientists planted it, and 4 weeks later it sprouted. A seed is thirsty and hungry. Once a seed has shed its coat, it drinks in the rain, the dew, and yesterday's icicles. It feasts on minerals in the soil. Part of the seed, the roots, feels the tug of gravity and digs down deep. Another part of the seed, the shoot, is sensitive to light, so it reaches for the sun. The seed is clever. It knows to seek the sunlight, to push itself up through the soil, but it must wait a while before that happens. Plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Inside the plant leaves are cells containing chemicals that absorb the sunlight. Light gives them the energy they need to turn water and carbon dioxide, a gas from the air, into food. A seed is sleepy, but only until it has found a place in the sun and has had its breakfast and a drink of water. Then a seed is awake. So once the seed is awake, the plant will grow. And watch what happens over the season. Learn about what's around your house, what's growing near you, and try to find those seeds. Save them, see if you can have them grow, and watch them next year and the year after that. And maybe you'll get some tasty food out of the deal.